channel and she sings songs for your little kids. Please leave her alone. Yeah, she took pictures of herself naked on Vanity Fair, and she gets a green bra. Who cares? She's a person. She's my BFF. I love her. BFF together. Hard. I love her, guys. You gotta remember that. You gotta remember your dad's Billy Ray Cyrus. Achy breaky heart. I love her, guys. Why? Why, guys? Why making fun of her? Come on. You know you liked her naked in Vanity Fair.